Hey ladies, y'all know what today is. It's ESS Erotic Sensual and Seductive Dance Demonstration, which is 1/3 of Seductive ArT. And speaking of my Seductive ArT, I will be having my Seductive ArT workshop November 23rd from 7 to 9 p.m. at Hempsville Harlem in Harlem. It's a brick and mortar. They sell CBD products. They have lovely products. You'll learn about their products, and then we're going to get into what Seductive ArT is, visual stimulation, real sex talk, and ESS Erotic Sensual and Seductive dance. You don't want to miss it. It's the ultimate ladies' nights out. Let's get into it.
Every day, made me feel so comfortable with stuff to say.
Sing. Now we're gonna tap our feet down.
You go where I go.
Just tap down. Double and.
I told you, baby, don't worry, don't lie. But the smile shining on my eyes. And I know that I'll be with you.
Single. Tap down.
Everything that you do, and baby, I can't play.
Arms gonna go out to the back. Easy like a bird.
Made me feel so comfortable with that to
Nice and cute. Steps
across.
across. Arms
You
up
go
and
where
back.
I go.
Hand and then push back.
I told you, baby, don't worry, don't lie.
Cooking around.
Shining on my
Cooking.
and I know that I'll be with you by the end.
Cross it out.
I'll
And
walk your room. I even love when you smile.
like don't get that booty back. Booty going up. Side up. Side up. Side up. Side up. Front, push it back. Front, push back. Sensual movement. Here we go. Hey, take your time. Very cutesy, very girly.
Made me feel so comfortable with that to say.
Just cross back.
Like this.
Throw your hip.
You go where I go, so I'm grateful.
Then we gonna go here.
I told you, baby, don't
Arms
worry,
go
I'm
up.
mine. But your smile is shining on
Arms
my
go up.
and I know that I'll be with you by the end of the day. So I'll watch your
Double.
everything that you do. And baby,
Double.
I can't play all these games with you.
Single.
I need you by my side to the end of the day.
Single. Wait,
Baby,
tap it
it's
out.
just something I
Hey, hey,
know.
double.
I love
In place.
everything about you.
Easy.
Even love the things
Single,
you
tap it out.
do. I even love when you smile. Made me feel so comfortable with that to say. Can't believe I found
Just
someone
cross
that
back.
made it like this.
Throw your hip.
You go where I go, so